In this video, we're going to be making these gooey and delicious eggless Nutella brownies. If you're a fan of anything Nutella, you will love these. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make them, so let's get started. First, you're going to grease and line your pan and set that aside. Now to your flour, add in the baking soda and mix it up till there are no lumps. In a microwave-safe bowl, take the butter and the white chocolate. And microwave them for 20-second intervals until the chocolate and the butter are melted. Make sure to stir in between and do not overheat them because you don't want the chocolate to burn. You can also use a double boiler and melt the chocolate and the butter, and that will be fine as well. Now in another bowl, take both the brown sugar and the white sugar. Add in the yogurt and the vanilla extract. And whisk the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar has dissolved. Then add in the white chocolate mixture and mix that in. I have a few white chocolate lumps remaining, but that's completely fine. After that's mixed in, add in the flour and mix it just until the flour is combined. And then you're going to pour your batter into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. And now is the fun part. So you're going to spoon your Nutella onto the mixture and keep some spaces in between. And then take a butter knife and swirl the Nutella into the batter, but just make sure not to over mix it. Then bake this in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Once the brownies are baked, let them cool completely. Once the brownies have cooled, you can slice them into as big or as small slices as you want. And then it's time to dig in, and you can see the texture of these. They are super gooey and they've got blobs of Nutella, which make this such an exquisite experience. They're tender and soft and melt in your mouth entirely. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!